Edit your photo in trending style on Canva. Go to canva.com. Select any size for your photo editing project. Import your picture. I am using a demo picture. Remove the background. Change the transparency to 20. Change the background color. Again, import your photo. Remove the background. Adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a glow. Change the color to white. Change the position between two images. Now try with different background colors. Go to Elements and add a shadow. Let's try with another photo. You can even add a gradient color background. Go to the gradient background. Select any color and position you want. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.